morning everyone, it's day 6 and we're heading to Disneyland after 2.5 hours night sleep.
No, you got 4 hours, didn't you?
I slept at 2, what time we wake up?
6.
Oh, 4.5 hours sleep. I feel like I've aged, look at me. And we've got time for food today. Baby, come back! Thank God we got here early. Look at all the people in the back. We're really out here running. I guess you could say I'm running shit. Breaking news! Kelly is now running. And the line, I swear to God, it said 80 minutes. I bet it's longer than that. We've decided to do Splash Mountain.
Dimension.
I'm from Australia and this is inaccurate. There needs to be more Chinese people. But you have to wait to exit it. God damn. Look at this stroller parking outside of the ride. Put me right to sleep. We're going Space Mountain. Kelly is too scary. Hey, Shane! Woo! Break the road. We're gonna grab some food.
I'm hungry.
Hungry Henry. We got a souvenir plate with this cheesecake.
Today. Henry's obsession continues.
We're riding Star Wars' very own Star Tours. Let's get into it. R2D's nuts.
なんでしょう。中を調べさせてもらう。やめて。スピードが速く。
We're on our way to grab some food. Food again.
Cheese and curry.
Creme brulee churro. King of the castle, king of the castle. It's time for photo time. Rapid fire.
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
We're going to Adventureland. Which ride are we riding?
The river cruise, the jungle.
Hui hui! Like one ticket, please. Hey guys, just your resident beauty checking in, and I'm with the Beast. And we're going to the Beauty and the Beast ride. Beauty. What the hell? What the hell? We were meant to go to the parade at 3 p.m. It's 14 past 3. I don't know if we can make it, but let's see. But that ride was great. It was great. Fantastic. Fantastic.
I got my ice cream.
We're gonna explore Toontown, which, little fun fact, Toon is actually derived from the word cartoon. So if everything looks cartoony, now you know why. Half an hour to ride this. Get out of here.
Happiest place on earth, man. Happy.
The milk tea popcorn. Yeah, it's a bit odd. It tastes like milk tea, but it's just not nice.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the Peter Japansy ride. We're going to the Monsters Incorporated hide and go seek ride. And last but not least, where the West meets the East, we are going on.
Hey,
we are going the Western Railway ride. Guys, you've got to check out Cinderella's castle. The best part is that there's indoor heating. Oh, I left my slipper. I think this is how you're meant to do it.
Oh no.
Like you pour the white in here.
Be sure about that. That don't look so good.
And then you chuck the yolk in here, I think.
Oh dear.
No, look at the picture.
Okay, you do what you do.
Whatever. It's my food.
He be eating.
If I did this wrong, I don't want to hear it from anyone. It's burning red like the passion of Kelly's heart. And just a little extra chicken for me. As you guys know, we can't have dinner without dessert, so off to 7-Eleven.
Are you serious?
Yes. How is it?
Not bad. Peach sorbet.